Hi, I'm Amy from the Spencer Public Library, and today we're going to talk about Beanstack. So what exactly is Beanstack? It is an app that helps us facilitate our summer reading program, and it also helps track your reading. You can keep track of the books that you have read. First, go to the App Store for whatever device you have, and then search for Beanstack. And once you do, it is going to pop up. Then you're going to go ahead and install it. I've already got it on my device, so it says open. Go ahead and open it and click that Let's Go button, and then choose that you're going to use it at your library, that top blue button. Now it's going to bring up Find a Site, so go ahead and press that. And you're going to type in Spencer Public Library. Do it by the name, not the zip code. That doesn't work. Okay, so here is where you are going to sign up for a new account. So go ahead and scroll down here where it says sign up. And go ahead and press that. Here it asks if you have used Beanstack for a previous challenge before. I'm guessing most of you watching this video have not, but make the appropriate choice here for you. So this is where you will go ahead and choose a username, put in your email address, and then pick a password. Make sure you remember your password in case you need to log in from another device or log back in later. Excellent! You are signed up now. Now you can start setting up your profile. Go ahead and add a profile picture if you would like. And you're going to choose your reading level. So now on the home screen, go ahead and hit that button to register for the summer reading program. And you can also go ahead and sign up for that 100 Books Challenge if you'd like. Throughout the year, we do different book challenges here on Beanstack, so go ahead and keep this app after the summer reading program is over. So go ahead and explore your home screen here. You've got the current challenges that you're signed up for. You've got the recent titles that you've logged. You've got your current stats. You've got the badges that you've earned, which are going to translate into prizes. Activities. Activities also translate into prize entries. You can also leave short reviews of your books. So when you're setting up your initial profile, it gives you the option to add additional readers. This is what you would do if you are adding child profiles. And that's what we're doing here. We're adding little Jimmy here, and he's 7 years old. And we'll add a profile picture of him. I happen to have a goose picture in my phone, so I guess that's what Jimmy is. And Jimmy gets registered for the summer reading program just like adults do. At the top of the adult profile, you will see that there are the challenges that I talked about earlier. It's got the summer reading program and the 100 Book Challenge. There's different activities that translate into tickets and prize entries. There is a review tab where people can write short reviews of the different books they've read. So you can look through there and see if there's anything interesting that you might want to read. And if you also look over here, there's also book lists. And so there's curated lists of books. And you might find something interesting in there that you want to read. And if you go under the child profile, under the list tab, you'll find that there are book lists there as well. So let's talk about logging your reading minutes. Go ahead and hit that plus down in the red field at the bottom. That brings you here, reading, activity, and review. We're going to start with reading. And right now we're logging for Jimmy. Right now Jimmy is going to be reading the book Bunnicula. So we're going to go ahead and type that in and find it on the list. And here it is. We've got Bunnicula selected. We can quick complete, log reading, or start timer. We're going to log reading. So we're going to log 15 minutes, but he didn't do it today. He did it yesterday. And so we're going to change the date. We're going to go ahead and log it, and boom, it is entered. Other ways to earn prize entries is to look at the activities, and you can do some of those. So let's try leaving a review. Go ahead and select that, and then select your book, and then go ahead and start typing it in. But remember, it's got to be short, less than 50 characters, so you can't get too elaborate. And there you go. Go ahead and enter it, and there you are. There's a community tab down at the bottom, and you can actually add friends on here, but they do have to be part of the Spencer Public Library. So if you do have friends that are part of the summer reading program, go ahead and see if you can get their friend code, and you can get your code too to share with your friends. And then you can look at the leaderboard, see who is reading the most, and you can have a little competition. Overall, the app is pretty easy to use. If you have any questions, let us know and we will help you. Another good app for tracking your reading is called Goodreads. Goodreads is the most popular reading app out there. It's owned by Amazon, which makes it handy if you're a Kindle user. You can highlight passages and share quotes, and it makes it easy to update what you're reading. I've been using Goodreads for many, many years. My reading list is obscenely long. I have the most friends on Goodreads, and I really like it. You can leave much longer reviews on here. You can connect with authors on Goodreads. You can look at each other's reading goals. It's really cool. One function that I really love is you can take a picture of a book cover and search for it and then add it to your reading list. This is an easy way to add a book to your to-read list that you see out and about. The other app we're going to discuss is called Storygraph. Many people prefer that as opposed to being owned by Amazon, it's a small independent company. You can leave longer reviews on Storygraph as you can on Goodreads, but one of the things I really love on Storygraph is if you're an audiobook user, you can also track minutes listened. And if you're a statistics nerd, it will break down everything for you by like your genre, your page numbers, the pace of the books you're reading, fiction, nonfiction, all that good stuff. And so if you like looking at all these charts like I do, you're going to get all of that stuff. And it is really cool to look at. I love looking at this kind of stuff. And one other thing that I really love about Goodreads is when you go into the profile on a book is it gives you not only the description of a book and reviews on the book, along with themes that people have submitted about the book, but there are also content warnings. So if there is something that's a deal breaker in a book or something that you have trauma about, something that you don't want to read about, you can go in and look on this page and see what kind of content warnings it has. So if you want to avoid this in a book, you can do so. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions, please contact us, and please like, follow, or subscribe depending on where you're seeing this. Thanks so much.